So special thanks to this company for sending us their computer stand. Now, by this name, you would kind of think a stand to put your computer on, but this is actually a stand to put dual monitors on. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the plastic and then so yeah, you can't really tell much from in here. Nice packaging with this protective corners. I dig it. But some styrofoam and then some installation instructions. So this is what you would do to put it together. Looks like each board connects together with a brace on the bottom, and then you're able to put the feet on. So not a whole lot to show you from this standpoint. Let me get this put together, get my monitors on here, and we'll show you exactly what it looks like. All right, so now we have put this together. Now it did come with the screwdriver needed, as well as the Allen wrench needed, and the full set of instructions. So you can see it's very actually heavy duty. You just put this plate on here, put in all of these screws, and then you put those in to put that part on, and then same over here. But it has nice little feet here on the bottom so it doesn't move. It actually has a bit of weight to it, so it seems pretty strong. And if you have dual monitors like I have, this is what it would look like set up at your desk. All right, and so there we go. That is what it looks like set up with two monitors on it. Absolutely love the way it looks. For some reason my Xbox is not getting a picture, so that's why that monitor is blank. I absolutely love this. I would highly recommend this for anybody who has a dual monitor set up in their office, because you get this nice space underneath here, and with this you can put stuff that you need there kind of out of the way and pull it out when you need it. That is essentially it for this dual monitor stand. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.